इथे फोटो काढलेला होता मी. आणि इथून बुर्ज खलिफा दिसायचा. आता सगळे बिल्डिंग झाल्यात. Hey guys, good morning from Dubai. Myself, Captain Kritagna Hale. Welcome back on my YouTube channel, that is Korean Pilot. So this morning, waking up in Dubai. Oh, that's the view outside. Earlier there were no buildings over here, so from this hotel I used to see Burj Khalifa. So now it's all buildings everywhere. Here is my hotel room. Earlier I stayed in this same hotel like 4 years back, pre-COVID. Sarvadadi, so now let's make a room tour. I'll show you the room. How's it? How's the pilot life in Dubai? Let's check. Welcome you all to Dubai. So today we are gonna explore the Dubai. That's the cupboard. Few coffees, coffee maker and coffee. And this is the cupboard. I'll show you the bathroom. So that's my bathroom. This is the bathing area and that's the bathtub. Here it is. Kitty sare taps hai. There are so many taps. And again here 2 units. यहाँ का जो ब्रेकफास्ट स्प्रेड है ना बहुत अमेजिंग है. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई विल गो हैव अ गुड ब्रेकफास्ट. दुबईमध्ये पण आहे पावभाजी. एवढा मोठा स्प्रेड लागलेला आहे. इडली, वेज बान, नूडल्स, वेज फ्राईड राईस, शाशुका. वाव, काय घ्यायचं आता विचार करते. लेट्स मिसो सूप काय माहिती नाही. Let's grab some lovely pancakes and waffles. That's the smoked salmon. And I already ordered an egg Benedict. Closing time आहे ब्रेकफास्टचा म्हणून सगळंच घेऊन बसलो. सगळं मी घेतलं. दॅट्स अ सॅलड, फ्रूट्स, बेकरी आयटम्स आणि इथे थोडं घेतलं इडली. दॅट्स हा मग ब्रेकफास्ट. आणि अजूनही घेते एग बेनेडिक्ट विथ सॅल्मन. कॅपुचिनो. Here I am all set. चला जाऊया आता. मी ही आहे माझी चार्ल्स अँड कीट्सची बॅग. सो दॅट आय गॉट फ्रॉम सिंगापूर. अँड दिस ड्रेस इज फ्रॉम H&M. शूज इज ऑल्सो फ्रॉम H&M. लेट्स गो. Missed our cab and here it is. because it's quite huge and there is a lot of things to explore. So again, I was here pre-COVID. COVID I'm here. खूप सारं construction आहे. There is a lot of construction. Every time you come into Dubai, you see some of the other buildings. Just look at over here. Burj Khalifa. So I'm going at the top. Last time I came, so I haven't been to top of the Burj Khalifa. So this time I thought like I can at least once I can go to the top. So I'm trying to book the ticket, but I'm not able to book it. So let's try. I'll go and try it over there. I was trying online, so there is a lot of error coming on. So here I am in the Dubai Mall. So this is my like third time into Dubai Mall, and there you all the luxury brands all around, and that's the Dubai Aquarium in front of me. सगळे हाय एंड ब्रँड्स आहेत टेड बेकर लंडन. I have to walk so much from Dubai Mall to come inside for going at the top of the Burj Khalifa. We don't have tickets, so we came directly over here. We are checking if we can get the tickets over here. So this gelato is super yummy. These are the premium flavors. You must try this. I have not tasted such yummy gelatos ever. तर माझ्या पाठी आहे. That's the world's biggest building. I am here at Burj Khalifa. इमारती. चालू झाला इथे दुबई फाउंटेन शो, द बेस्ट फाउंटेन शो.
저리 쫓아 다이리 쫓아.
At this wing of Mexico, so called, and look at the queue for the photo shoot. So I have to wait here in the queue to shoot a picture. And yo, look at the queue, it's not moving. Waiting for almost 45 minutes, it's my turn now. वाव, हे मुलांना किती छान खेळायसाठी आहे. दिस ऑल लिटेड. वाव, सो नाइस फॉर चिल्ड्रन्स टू प्ले हियर. Every half an hour this light show and the musical fountain starts. So I am here almost for 2-3 hours. I have seen night show, day show, everything. Dubai Mall, we are heading to Desert Safari. तर इथून ऑलमोस्ट 1 hour आहे डेझर्ट सफारी. And roads are so good that you won't come to know that 72 kilometers will be covered in 1 hour. This is night time, that's why you can't make out that it's a desert, but it's all desert everywhere. And right over there is a sanctuary, so we are going over there for a sanctuary ride. मस्त है, नहीं जा रहा है. And in Dubai we spotted this deer. Wow, this is the sanctuary on the left. दुबई में कैमल नहीं, डियर दिख रहे हैं हमें. हेलो, सो क्यूट. वाओ. All these plants which you can see, even these plants on the edge of the road are all planted, and the sewage water is recycled for all these plants. ये डियर भी लाए हुए रहेंगे ना, लोकल है. So all these deer stay there. ये अलग कुछ अलग दिखाया हमने दुबई का इस वीडियो में. नो वन हैज सीन दिस एक्सेप्ट लोकल्स. टूरिस्ट को तो पता ही नहीं होगा ये सब है दुबई में. हाँ, none of the tourists must be coming here. And behind this plantation is all deserts. हाँ. और डेजर्ट्स में बनाया हुआ है लेक्स. This whole area you can see behind me, it's purely into desert, like proper desert, not a desert safari, it's a proper desert. So here अभी आपने देखा था कि बहुत बारिश हुआ था, बहुत सारा फ्लड हुआ था दुबई में. तो यहाँ पे जो डेजर्ट है वो पूरा डेजर्ट में मतलब बारिश होने के बाद it all has settled and there are no more desert dunes you can see as it's wet. आणि आजूबाजू what we saw was the deers which were there, that is the sanctuary. So these deers are local, but the plants and the trees which are grown outside over there at the outskirts are all planted and there is a water supply for them. पूर्ण ऐसा पाइप से पूरा वाटर सप्लाई उनको जाता है because there is no water in Dubai. And there are lakes, 2 lakes which they have made. A Kudra Lake is there, Love Lake, and one more lake is there. तो जैसे अभी बारिश गिरा हुआ था तो पानी था, that's why we couldn't make it to the lakes. So जो वो लेक बना हुआ है, that lakes are also man-made lakes. Those lakes are not natural lakes, so those are man-made. So this side of Dubai what we have seen is you must have not seen in any other vlogs because no one comes usually over here, tourists and all, mostly locals know that. And यहाँ पे restaurants है आजू बाजू में, there are a lot of restaurants and there are Indian restaurants also, and you can have the local food over here and also the Indian food. And the climate is so pleasant. It's May. It don't feel like I am in May in Dubai because it has just rained and it's so pleasant. It looks like I'm in winters over here. So hope you liked my video. So सगळं प्लॅनच्या अगेन्स्ट केलं. So it was all against the plan. I planned actually to go to top of Burj Khalifa, but tickets were not available. It was all full. So I strolled around. आपने देख ही लिया. And then again we planned to go to Marina, but we came here in desert. So it was all against the plan. So I hope you liked my video. आणि जर अजून सबस्क्राईब केलं नसेल then go and like and go and subscribe my YouTube channel, that is Korean Pilot, and don't forget to like and share. तर भेटूया पुन्हा आपण आपल्या YouTube चॅनलवर नवीन ब्लॉगमध्ये. बाय बाय, सी यू. सांगा मला कसा वाटला आहे व्लॉग. नो वन कमेंट्स लाईक हाऊ दे फाइंड दिस व्लॉग्स. तर नक्की सांगा कॉमेंट सेक्शनमध्ये कसा वाटला माझा व्लॉग. सी यू टिल देन. बाय बाय.